Hey guys, this is Dave for Betaflight. Today what I'd like to do is talk to you about using Blheli pass-through. There's going to be a little bit of work on motor direction as well, so I'm going to tie it all into one video because it's something you'd probably do at the same time. So as fast as possible, here we go. So first of all, we're going to connect to Betaflight. And what we're going to do is we're going to test the motor direction as it is. So make sure you don't have any props on. Tick the fact that you understand that the propellers aren't on. Plug your battery in. Up the master just to get the motor spinning. Again, no propellers. And just record which directions are actually wrong. If you're not sure, have a look at the top left of the interface. It's going to give you a sign to show you which way to go. From there, what we need to do is open up the Blheli configurator. And what we're going to start off doing is by flashing to the latest firmware. So you just click flash all, leave the ESC setting the same there, and just pick the latest version of the software that's actually available to it. I'm going to speed this section up a little bit. It will take a little bit longer, sort of 15 seconds or so for each of the ESCs. From there, what you'll see is it'll reread the setup, and for at this point, the motors that were wrong, we will just click to change the motor direction from normal to reverse, and then we're going to click the right setup button from there. Quick final check, read setup, it should all stick in there. I previously changed this to a 5-minute beacon delay. It's just going to affect how soon the ESCs will start beeping if the quad's left on. I figure 5 minutes is fine. Once we've done that, we connect back into the Betaflight configurator, down to the motors tab. Again, click the warning just to say that you understand that the props are off. Recheck the master, so plug the battery in, flick it on, just check your directions are all correct, and you should be good from there. So you've flashed the ESCs, and you've actually changed the motor direction, and you haven't had to change anything with the soldering or anything like that. So thank you for watching. I hope that helped. If you want more depth, I will be doing something soon, but there are a lot of videos out there that people have done already. But for now, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.